Okay, I know what they've done in the past. Like you said, they do travel to African speaking Anglo countries, Anglophone countries in Africa. But in the digital space, there's so much more opportunities now for people to learn, you know, even before they go to a formal place. So they could get different, I know they have the Duolingo
application.
Yes, and all. And they could do, I know they have some kind of app you can talk to and it will translate to you. So in that way you're learning, because I'm trying to also work on my French. You know, I took French all through elementary and secondary school. But so those are really helping us. And I tell you, a lot of those kind of tutorials are free online. So they can take those opportunities to really help them learn that language. But they may want a formal way,
a structured
way for you to prove that you've been there. Then you can also do that, because some people go to the formal structured way, they take the test and all, they pass, but they're still not proficient in everyday language. So if you want to be really, really successful, these are ways that I think students can do that. Because you even think about American English versus British English.
Two different English.
So even with that, students have to learn when they get here from English-speaking countries what certain words may mean. It may not be the same, you know, in America, what that word meant in the African country, English-speaking country. So those are, but they can do it. Again, they have to be motivated. They have to definitely want to do it. And I think a lot of African students, even Asian, but I've met more with African students, they are willing, you know, whatever it takes that is legal.
No, I think mostly, you know, because everybody has to take it, whether you're English speaking or French speaking. The English speaking country took French, like you said, and the French speaking took English. So you know, they know the vocabulary, the grammar, but the fluency of that speaking, that's the problem.
And the nuances of that language, of that particular language. Yes, that's the problem.
All right.